Hey guys, welcome to today's video. It's Odette here. So, you guys are gonna help me today to do a cut crease. I gotta get this done. I got to get this done today. I have to learn today how to do this. Simply to me, you are just perfect with your cut crease. HD signatures, the tall black check, Dillis Empire. I'm like, oh my god, why can't I do that? And I think it's all in the hand precision, the way you do it over your eyes. Well, we're going to attempt today with your help. You guys are going to have to guide me through this. And I'm going to use this video today as a test. So you guys are going to, like I said, help me out. This palette I'm going to be using, this is from Revolution. This is the Regeneration Trends Mischifs Matte Palette. All matte colors in here. As you can see, this yellow is called New Day. That's my favorite go-to yellow for a transition. And I'm going to be using rose gold glitter on my eyes from Mellow Cosmetics. So we are going to get started. Let me just reach for some brushes, and I'm going to take my Morphe M53 brush. I have maybe 4 of these. I'm not quite sure why I have so many of them, but I do. So let me start with Attached, which is next to New Day, which is a creamy color, and we just go into, oh, knock that off, and we just going to blend this in. And guys, please don't be too harsh if I suck at this. Just promise me you're gonna be like, you know, that at least you tried. I mean, you suck, but at least you tried. So let's blend a little. And now we're gonna go in with New Day. And we're just gonna put this right on top. Hope I'm close enough. Let me just bring my camera closer so you guys can see what the hell I'm doing. Okay, I hope that's close enough for you guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna continue blending the yellow. I was just watching Sammy the Gemini's video. Oh my god, that guy is freaking hilarious. Places you can go during this coronavirus. Oh my god. And the other video he did with this guy with his girlfriend who pretended she can cook. In the meantime, her mama was doing all the food. I had a good laugh, I'm telling you. The guy is just freaking hilarious. Okay, so I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm going to go in now with, should I do Haunted? Let's do Exclusive, because I'm looking for something pinky. Is it pinky or mauve? Let's just try the mauvey color. And we're just going to go in the crease, kind of in the crease, kind of on the hood. No, kind of on the crease and kind of on the lid. You guys can tell I'm nervous already, right? That this is not going to turn out well. Okay, so let's go in now with Haunted, which is a deeper purple. And I'm using the same brush because all the colors blend so nice together. And we want to get a little bit more deep in this crease. And I think that's just about even. I'm going to take another clean brush, and I'm going to use the same yellow. And I'm going to put a little bit of this just by the brow bone. I love this yellow. It's called New Day. And let's just blend all the corners out so there's not going to be any harsh edges. I'm going to go in and clean up the corners eventually. So we're just going to blend everything nicely here. Okay. Now the moment of truth. I am going to take my NYX concealer. This is called, I don't know, it's so tiny. I'm going to leave it in the description box for you guys. So you guys can tell I'm nervous as hell. Let me start over. Now I'm going to take my NYX concealer. The name of this is going to be left in the description box for you guys. And I'm going to use a brush with a flat top. And I'm going to use this to, like you say, cut that crease. Guys, I'm nervous as hell. So let's just start. What do you guys think? How am I doing so far? Should I go over a little further? What do you think? Like just about here, right? How does that look? What do you guys think? Oh my god. So let me go in with my Mellow eyeshadow. And I like to spray my brush a little bit here. Just tap that off. And let's just go in. You see that? Does that look alright? And I'm going to use no. I'm going to use Crush. I'm just going to just darken this a little bit in the corner. And where's that brush? And let's just use that brush again to kind of blend them both together. What do you guys think of that? Okay, help me now with the other side. Does that look even, or do I just bring that over just a little bit more? Do you think I should go up a little, guys? Like a little bit more here? It's just like doing your eyebrows. One side always looks better than the other side. Okay. And what did I use again? Haunted, I think I did. Yeah. And then this one, I just blend everything in. What do you guys think? Looks all right. Okay, let me get my lashes done off camera. I'm going in with my Beaute lashes, and I shall pop back in 1 second. It's looking good, looking good. Back soon. So the lashes are on, and these are from Beaute. I got these from Beauty Bay, and I like these lashes because they are long-ish in the end, and they are short in the center, which looks good. So guys, what do you think of that cut crease? What do you think? Looks all right. Not perfect, but thank you. Thank you for your help, guys. It looks good. So what I'm gonna do now is, I like when the, come on. I like when the corners of my eyes looks nice and neat. Let me just clean those up a bit. Just like so. So that looks nice and neat, and I did use the rose gold eyeshadow, and I brought that down just in the corner of my eyes. And this is from Mellow Cosmetics. I'm going to leave the link in the description box for you guys because I'm an ambassador for the brand now. So there we go, just in case you want to click on that link and get one or two things. It's up to you. But it doesn't look too bad. I like it. So let me put something on my lips right now. This is from Rituals. This is the lip treatment balm. I've shown you guys this before. You push this button right there and it pops out. And that's all it is. Just a little. So I'm going to use this lip liner from Wet n Wild. I showed you guys this one before. It's called I Got the Juice. And I'm not kidding, that's what it's called. So we're just going to line the lips right now. Very nice, like that. I'm going to use this next pencil. It's called Pure Gold, and I'm going to put a little bit of this on my Cupid's bow, just a little, because I'm always messing up my Cupid's bow anyways. It's never done right. I'll just use this. It's never done right. Never. I'm just gonna blend this out. Whatever. So this lipstick is from Essence, and this is called Mad About You. I am going to put this on. See, I messed up the Cupid's bow right there. Messed it up. Now let me use my lip brush. I'm just going to blend this out a little. I'm just going to use my lip liner and fix this because I never do anything with the Cupid's bow anyways because I'm always messing it up. Okay, there we be. Morphe setting mist going in now. Let me just fan myself. That doesn't look too bad. I'm going to use this powder. It's a pressed powder from the Collections brand. And I'm just going to fix any, I don't have any shine on my face, but I'm just going to go in with a little bit of this anyways. Wow, the cut crease did not look too bad, guys. You guys were such a big help. You were. This is the Mellow Cosmetics Stardust Glow Palette. And I'm going to use a color in here for my cheeks. And I think I'm going to use Sigma. I do have my brush right here, and I'm going to put a little bit of Sigma. Ah! Ooh! Just right there. Do you see that? That is pretty. Very nice. Sigma is beautiful. I'm just going to take my brush and just brush over that a little bit. And I need another brush. And I'm going to use Nova just right on top. Yeah. Just like so. Hey. And we are done. So guys, we're finished with the makeup today. What did you think of the cut crease? Did I do a good job? Is that a yes? I think it looks okay. What do you think if I close my eyes? I hope both sides look kind of even. Very nice. I like this rose gold eyeshadow from Mellow Cosmetics, and the reason why I like this is because it has a nice soft consistency to it and it doesn't fall into my eyes. I don't like to use pressed pigments too much because I always have issues with my eyes afterwards unless you wet your brush or something like that. But I really like this, and the highlighter palette is also nice from Mellow Cosmetics. I am an ambassador with the brand, so I love the makeup. If I didn't like it, I would tell you that I didn't like it, seriously guys. So yeah, I'm going to leave the link in the description box for you just in case you want to pick up on one or two of those things. Look at how beautiful the cheeks looks right now. It looks so cute. Really, really pretty. I love the eyes, and I think the cut crease look kind of okay. Thank you for your help. You guys were awesome. Thank you. So next time I'm in trouble, I'm just going to call you guys up, yeah? Hope you don't mind. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your help. I appreciate you so much. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think of this makeup today. Stay safe, guys. Hope you guys are all doing well. My name is Odette, and I shall see you guys next time. Doodles. Bye.